Hello. Welcome to our channel on Cybersecurity Guru. In this video, we're going to talk about what cybersecurity is like, the challenges and the importance of it in today's digital age. First, let's define what cybersecurity is. Cybersecurity is the practice of protecting your personal and professional information online. This includes protecting your computer systems, networks, and data from unauthorized access, use, disclosure, disruption, modification, or destruction. Now, let's talk about the challenges of cybersecurity. One of the biggest challenges is keeping up with the ever-evolving threat landscape. As technology advances, so do the methods of cybercriminals. They are constantly finding new ways to hack into systems and steal sensitive information. This means that cybersecurity professionals have to stay on top of the latest trends and vulnerabilities in order to protect their organizations. Another challenge is dealing with the sheer volume of data that needs to be protected. With the amount of personal and professional information being stored online, it can be overwhelming to keep track of it all. This is why it's important to have a solid security strategy in place to ensure that all data is properly protected. Now, let's talk about the importance of cybersecurity. As we've mentioned, the amount of personal and professional information being stored online is growing at an unprecedented rate. This means that the stakes are higher than ever when it comes to protecting this information. A data breach can have serious consequences for both individuals and organizations. It can lead to financial loss, loss of personal information, and damage to reputation. Cybersecurity is also important for national security. The increasing number of cyber attacks on government and military systems highlights the need for strong cybersecurity measures to protect critical infrastructure. In conclusion, cybersecurity is a critical practice in today's digital age. With the constant evolution of technology, it is important to stay informed and to have a solid security strategy in place to protect personal and professional information. Remember, cybersecurity is everyone's responsibility, and it's important to take steps to protect yourself online. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more videos on Cybersecurity Guru.